Hi everybody, this is Courtney that I just met, and I am so intrigued by what she does. I want you to hear her specialty and how she helps so many people around the world.
So my name is Courtney Epps, and I have been a tax strategist and an accountant for the last 18 years. So I literally teach people why they cannot be a W-2 employee solely. So as a W-2 employee, you are literally paying more in taxes than anybody else. So, and I want to just compare it for you. So Walmart pays 0.12% in taxes, and the average American pays 40%. The problem with that is that the average American is literally making 60 grand a year, and what ends up happening is they're paying about $14,000 in taxes. So that means they're bringing home $46,000 a year on average, but the cost of living in America is $53,000. So they're going in debt $7,000 a year to work 40 hours a week, 50 weeks a year. And so we have to teach people, you have to understand that you cannot just be a W-2 employee. You're never going to get ahead. You're actually getting further in the hole every single month. And so what I've learned through the 18 years of owning my own businesses is that having a home-based business is the greatest tax deduction you can possibly have, because it will literally take you from being $7,000 in the hole to going and actually being in the positive. So the average home-based business will save you $4,000 to $8,000 a year on your taxes. But the kicker is you're not spending thousands and thousands of dollars on things that you're not paying for currently. You're literally taking what you're spending today as living expenses and you're turning that into business expenses. So I have 6 children, and I have a home-based business. I have an accounting firm. I have 3 employees who work from my home. So I can write off my meals and my mileage and my cell phone and business use of my home and my internet and all of these things you are already currently paying for. The only problem is if you're a W-2 employee, you don't get those deductions. So it's just imperative. You would literally, and that's my book is called More Relaxing, Less Taxing, why you would be brain dead not to own a business. And you literally would. You have got to find something that you're passionate about and start sharing that with people so you can start getting the tax deductions that you deserve and help you have a more relaxing and less taxing life.
I love that. So the one thing that really intrigued me with her was when she talks about our home-based business that we have a monthly shipment that we get, and how so many people say if they can afford that or not. So
yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
So as a W-2 employee, if you're a W-2 employee, you can literally free up money every single month because you're in a home-based business. So your W-4 that you fill out, you can increase your exemptions by 2. That'll free up the money that you need to use for your product. But the thing is your product, if you're in the business and you're sampling it or you're taking it to share that with people so you have an experience, that becomes tax deductible. So, you know, if you understand I'm spending $100 a month, if that's how much the product is, that $100 is equivalent to saving you $400 to $500 a month in taxes, because now that you spent the $100, not only can you write off the $100, but you can write off your meals and your mileage and your cell phone and all those other things. So if you continue to stay on auto ship, it's literally going to bring you money at come tax time, or right now currently if you increase your W-4 exemptions, and at the end of the day you're spending the money on you and not spending it on the IRS. So you pick. You can spend $100 here, you can spend $500 on the IRS. At the end of the day, I would much rather spend it on me and my family instead of spending it on the government.
Love that. Okay, awesome.
Awesome.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome.